Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn that what is 3D printing. Now let's begin. 3D printing is a process that creates 3D printing is a process that creates physical objects from a digital design. It works by layering materials like plastic or metal to build the item from the bottom up. You start with a computer model and the 3D printer adds material layer by layer until the object is complete. This technology is used to make everything from toys and tools to medical devices and even building